Good morning, students. I am K. Kavita, staff of Divya Metric Higher Secondary School. Today, now we are going to talk about the topic Two Gentlemen of Verona, is written by A.G. Cronin. In this play, Shakespeare also written. It's also different. In the Italy, there is a Verona place. It's about the A.G. Cronin says. A.G. Cronin, born in Archibald Joseph Cronin, born in 1896 to 1981, is died. And he was a Scottish novelist, dramatist, physician, and also he is a doctor and he is a storyteller of 20th century. In many stories, they had to emerge through the medical careers, and also he having the native skills and deeper about the social conscience, and also they have to explain finely about the drawing characters. It means drawn character. They have to explain very easily understand the characters, and also likable character. They have to explain it, and also they if they have to sell the books, not only selling the books, they also make the film like a Citadel. Next, The Key of Kingdom. And also here her novels, it should become BBC radio and TV serials. It should be very successful in her life. It's running wrong. It's running so long. Next, Two Gentlemen of Verona. There is a two boy. They consider as a two gentlemen of the Verona. They take care very much her sister. Her sister is affected by tuberculosis. They have to take care and work hard for his medical. Now we are going to talk about the story. There is one Alf Hills. In the basis of the hills, the author and his friends, they have to come to that village side, Verona side. After that, the two boys, they have to sell the strawberries. But the Luigi is warned, don't get the fruit. If you have to get fruit better than these boys in the Verona, he says. If accept these fruits and this Verona, they have more fruits, it's very good, because her appearance is so dirty. So Luigi have to say like that. And next, they have to warn Jessie dress and khaki pants, and also they have to loosely fold the dresses they have to wearing, and these two little figures are brownie skins and tangled hair. It should be tangled hair. It should be curling hair like that. Dark and earnest eye is a sharpened eye. It should be this appearance attracted by the author and his friends. And after that, they have to speak with two boys. They know they are brothers. One is a Nicola, elder brother, 13 years old, and another one is a Jacobo, is a 12 years old. They have to selling the strawberries, no. After that, Arthur get the big basket of fruits, get it and put in the car. After they move to the town. In morning, in front of the hotel, the two boys are shining the shoes in the public square. Very briskly they are doing. After that, watching the few minutes, they have to slack, and they have to show. After that boys are the greeting with smile. Arthur says, I think you have to only sell the fruits. But the Nicola answered that hopefully, I'm not only sell the fruits, I do all those works, like also visit all those places in the Verona, like a Juliet Tombs, and also so many interesting places, other places. It's also show to our visitors. And next, the author is how to interested about her characters. They have to very childish, and also Jacob is like a squirrel, and Nicola is like a with smiling faces. They have to engage her, and also boyish face, like they have to so higher order thinking in her mind, and also work in seriousness. They have to visit, they have to those places, what and all the places they have to go and see the visitors. That places are American Cigarettes and Seat of Opera, name of good restaurants, that place and all. The visitor visit the places with Nicola and Jacob. They have to guide the way of the that place and all. They work satisfied and willingly to this job. They have to guide the way for the visitor for this place and all. That visitor have to enjoy through this Nicola and Jacob for his willingness of guiding the way to visit the places. Okay, next we see. Next, in summer days, in the hot sun, they have to shining the shoes and selling the fruits, sold the fruits and newspaper sellings, and also around to the town with tourists. They have to very tired, and exactly in this midnight they have to sitting. The Jacob is sit in this. Nicola is fell down with her body. They having the bundle of newspapers. They have to waiting for selling the newspapers, and they have so tired. They have to simply sitting, and also in this midnight they have to get so tiredness. And suddenly the author asks, why late? They have to ask, but Nicola says, Padula bus is come. After that I sell the newspaper. After I come to home. Author says, that much of work you had. You also so tired, I think. Author says. Next, Nicola says, I am not complaining like this, sir. I work to do. The next morning, they have to shining the shoes. The Nicola and Jacob, they have to work. Even though they didn't spend her money to her clothes, and also they didn't eat well enough foods like black bread. They only eat black breads and figs. They didn't spend her money to herself. And next, after that, the author says, you go to America or migrate to America or any other plan? Author asks. But they have to say just plans. They have to say with low voice. They have to speak in between them about. Author says, I will go to Monday. I will go to Monday. Within these days, I can help you. If any help I can do, you have to say that I will do it. That Nicola have to now say. Suddenly Jacob is very angry, and next the Nicola says, in the Polita place there is a 30 kilometer. I have to take the Harris bicycle, so we have to help me. The author says, Luki have get the off day, only Sunday they work. In the other days they didn't work. Okay, I will help you. I have to drive and carrying you. Only suddenly says. And next the Nicola is very angry to these brothers. If I give the troubling for you, you won't help me, sir. I can do it, sir, says. After that, they have to move to the village. Tiny village in this hillside. But Arthur thinks we go to the small house in the village, but they have to come to the roof of the red roof of the places. That is very beautiful, and there is a wall. It is a very good places. They have to think about this. The Nicola and Jacob very quickly enter into that. If I come within 1 hour, In the time you have to go and relax the village and take the tea, they have to say. Okay students, part 2 next we will see.